Hey guys, welcome to Rough Riders. Another quick video for you on the MDX. I did some maintenance work on it and had to reset the maintenance minder. Checked the manual, didn't see it anywhere in there. It's probably in there somewhere, maybe I just missed it, but I couldn't find it anyway. So played around with it, figured out how to reset the maintenance minder and made a quick video on it. So thought I'd share that with everybody and let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Okay, so to reset the maintenance minder on your 2015 Acura MDX, I think this probably applies to the anything, probably 2014 and newer. If you got an older one, it may be a slightly different process. But you've got the push button start here. Without putting your foot on the brake, like you're going to start the car, you're just going to basically put it in accessory mode. So you're going to hit the button, I believe, twice. Sorry if it's getting a little blurry there. Right, and so once it's in that mode, you can see I've got my maintenance light. I've already done the oil change and rotated the tires and everything. So now I just need to reset the maintenance minder. So now that it's in the accessory mode and the engine is not running, I can use my scroll wheel right here to scroll past all the different settings, right? Now I'm going to go to vehicle settings. I'm going to push the button here. And so now I can go into the driver setup information, right? And now I can scroll through until I hit that maintenance info, hit the button again, and now you can see I'm at the maintenance reset light. So now I can hit reset right here, select it, and by scrolling up to select reset, and then hit the button, pressing the button once, and then a second time, and now the reset is done. So that's a quick tip on how to reset the maintenance light on the maintenance minder on your Acura MDX. Probably works for other Acuras as well. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. If you got any questions, comments, please leave them below. And next time, we'll see you around next time.